This German startup is turning dead batteries into Europe's energy independence. Tozero isn't just recycling, they're extracting critical battery materials that Europe desperately needs. And the numbers tell a dire story. Europe is technically home to 5% of lithium deposits globally. However, we produce exactly 0. That is partly because lithium mines are extremely toxic, but they take anywhere from 10 to 18 years to establish. And although globally we need 3.1 million tons of lithium, we only produce 180,000. Recycling is quickly becoming the only way to not run out of this precious resource. But how is Tozero exactly doing this, and why are they so cutting edge? It all started when Tozero's founders met. Sarah Fleischer, a mechanical engineer and seasoned entrepreneur, joined forces with Ksenia Milicevic-Neumann, a chemical engineer and leading expert in battery chemistry, who has published some of the most cutting-edge research in the space. Together they designed a water-based process to recover lithium, officially called hydrometallurgical, instead of using a smelting or burning approach that most recycling companies were using. The results were astonishing, recovering over 80% of graphite and over 90% of lithium from old batteries. And the best part is that this process emits 70% less than traditional lithium or graphite mining. But this is not some plan for the future. They had to overcome one of the biggest challenges: scaling. It's a little bit like when you try to use a cupcake recipe to bake a cake. The math just doesn't work out. The same thing can happen with battery chemistry, but Sarah, Ksenia, and their team were able in 2 years to go from a small-scale proof of concept experiment on the lab bench to fully industrial scale